Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Have you ever looked at the stock market and thought, where do I even start? Trust me, I've been there too. Paralyzing by analysis, staring at endless options, trying to figure out which stocks are actually worth my time and money. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place because this video is going to make it all so much easier. Today, I'm talking about one of the most valuable tools in a trader or investor's toolkit, stock picking services. Whether you're a beginner trying to build a portfolio or a seasoned investor looking for fresh ideas, I think a good stock picking service can save you time and help you focus on opportunities with real potential. These services can help you spot high growth opportunities, identify undervalued gems, and even diversify your portfolio across different sectors. Basically, they take the guesswork out of investing so you can spend less time stressing and more time making smart decisions. In this video, I'll break down 3 of the top stock picking services that are leading the pack in 2024. Whether you're looking for consistent long-term growth, high-risk, high-reward plays, or something in between, I'll cover the pros, the unique features, and how they might fit your investing goals. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which service can take your portfolio to the next level. All right, I want to kick things off with one of the most trusted names in the game, Motley Fool Stock Advisor. If you've been researching stock picking services, there's a good chance you've come across this one. There's a reason it's one of the most popular options out there. It's simple, effective, and backed by a track record that speaks for itself. Motley Fool Stock Advisor is all about helping you identify stocks with massive growth potential. The service delivers 2 stock recommendations every month, handpicked by their team of experienced analysts. And when I say experienced, I'm talking about people with decades of success under their belts. They're known for identifying big winners early, with past recommendations including blockbuster stocks like Amazon, Netflix, and Tesla. Imagine getting in on those kinds of opportunities before they skyrocket. That's the kind of potential we're talking about here. All right, let's talk numbers, because the historic performance of Motley Fool Stock Advisor is nothing short of impressive. Since its inception in 2002, Stock Advisor has delivered a staggering 750% return. To put that into perspective, the S&P 500, often considered the gold standard for passive investing, has returned 164.90% in the same timeframe. That means Motley Fool Stock Advisor has outperformed the S&P 500 by an incredible 585.69%. These are the kinds of numbers that make you stop and think, what if I'd started using this service years ago? I don't know about you, but when I choose a stock picking service, they have to have a track record of market-beating returns, or what is the point? Stock Advisor definitely delivers on this front. They've been ahead of the curve on some of the biggest winners in the market, and this track record is why so many investors continue to trust Stock Advisor year after year. But what makes Stock Advisor stand out isn't just the picks themselves. It's how they guide you through the process. Along with the recommendations, you'll get detailed research reports explaining why they believe in each pick. This isn't just a buy this and trust us kind of service. They arm you with the why behind each suggestion, helping you feel confident about your investments. And for someone like me, who values transparency and learning, that's a huge plus. Now, Stock Advisor isn't just about stock picks. It has additional tools to help you grow and learn as an investor. You'll get access to their stock screener, real-time updates on market trends, and their library of investing guides. It's designed to not only give you great ideas, but also help you understand the market better. Honestly, it feels like you're getting a mini crash course in investing every month. And for beginners, this is invaluable. Let's talk about pricing because, honestly, I know that's what we're all wondering. How much is this going to cost? And let's be real, knowing the price is key to figuring out if a service is worth it. The great news? Motley Fool Stock Advisor is super affordable, especially for what you're getting. Normally, this service costs $199 a year, which, in my opinion, is already pretty reasonable for the value. But right now, they're offering it for just $99 for your first year. That's a full 50% off. Honestly, for less than $100, you're getting access to expert stock picks, helpful resources, and an active investing community. It's a no-brainer for anyone serious about growing their portfolio. If this sounds like a good fit for you, make sure to check out the link in the description to lock in that promotional price. Now, Stock Advisor is their flagship and most well-known service. But if you're someone who wants to go all in and have access to everything Motley Fool offers, you might want to check out Motley Fool Epic. This is their premium service that gives you access to Stock Advisor, plus their other flagship services like Rule Breakers, Everlasting Stocks, and more. Think of it as the full Motley Fool experience. A one-stop shop for stock recommendations, industry insights, and long-term portfolio building strategies. If you're serious about investing and want access to a broader range of tools and picks, Epic is worth considering. Since you are getting so much more with Epic, that is reflected in the pricing. It is priced at $499 per year, but lucky for you, I have a link in the description that will bring that price down to $319. So, if you do decide you want that in-depth coverage, make sure to take advantage of that discount in the description. Okay, moving on. Next, I want to talk about Alpha Picks by Seeking Alpha. If you're familiar with Seeking Alpha, you already know it's one of the largest platforms for in-depth market research and financial analysis. But Alpha Picks takes it a step further, focusing on long-term stock picks designed to build a solid portfolio for buy-and-hold investors. Much like Stock Advisor, Alpha Picks delivers 2 carefully vetted stock picks every month, straight to your inbox. Each pick comes with a detailed analysis explaining why it's likely to outperform the market. It's not about chasing trends or speculative penny stocks. It's all about identifying reliable growth opportunities. One thing I think that sets Alpha Picks apart is the process behind the recommendations. It is led by Stephen Kress, a seasoned research expert. The team at Seeking Alpha uses a proprietary quantitative model to find stocks that have the best potential for market outperformance. They analyze factors like valuation, profitability, growth, and momentum. It's not just guessing, it's grounded in data and proven metrics. The proof is in the pudding. Since its inception in 2022, Alpha Picks has outperformed the S&P 500 by over 90%, which is an incredible edge for long-term investors. If your goal is to build a portfolio that grows steadily over time, this service's track record should give you confidence. One of the things I like best about Alpha Picks is how straightforward it is. They focus on quality over quantity, so you're never overwhelmed with too many options. The service even includes guidance on when to sell, hold, or take partial profits. For example, if one of their picks doubles in value, it's moved into what they call the good to great category, where they recommend selling half to lock in profits while letting the rest ride. It's a disciplined, low-maintenance strategy that's perfect for investors who don't want to spend hours managing their portfolios. Now, let's address the pricing. Alpha Picks costs $499 per year, which might seem like a big upfront commitment. But what you must understand is, this fee gives you access to all of their current and past stock picks on day one. That's why they don't offer monthly memberships or free trials. If they did, people could grab all the past picks and cancel immediately. While the price may seem high at first, it's a one-time annual fee for a proven strategy that's designed to pay for itself many times over. It is worth it, in my opinion, unless you have a very small portfolio, in which case you might want to consider index funds until your account builds to the point it makes sense to pay $499 per year to chase market-beating returns. If you're interested in checking it out, use my link in the description to go directly to the Alpha Picks page and make sure you're in the right place. It's part of a larger lineup of Seeking Alpha's offerings. Okay, last but not least, let's dive into TipRanks, one of the most exciting tools I've ever used for stock research. Honestly, if you've ever felt like you're drowning in endless opinions and analysis when trying to pick stocks, TipRanks is about to become your new best friend. Launched in 2012, TipRanks was built to make stock research transparent and accessible for everyone, not just Wall Street pros. To me, it's like having a cheat sheet for the stock market, but one that's backed by hard data. The platform collects insights from Wall Street analysts, financial bloggers, hedge funds, and even corporate insiders, all in one place. And the best part? It's easy to use, even if you're not a finance expert. Let's talk about one of my favorite features, Expert Insights. TipRanks pulls data from top analysts and insiders, so you can actually see what the pros are doing. You can track their stock picks, analyze their trades, and even see their reasoning. For me, this is gold. It's like getting a masterclass in stock picking from people who do this for a living. And the best part? TipRanks also ranks these experts by performance, so you know exactly who to trust. You're not just blindly following opinions, you're following a track record. Now, let's talk about the Smart Portfolio tool. This feature has completely changed how I look at my investments. It gives you real-time analysis of your portfolio's performance, showing your gains, losses, and even dividend returns all in one place. And here's the kicker. You can make your portfolio public or check out others to see how they're doing. It's such a great way to get inspired and find new ideas. Honestly, managing my portfolio has gone from feeling like a chore to being one of the most exciting parts of my day. Next up is news sentiment, and this is where TipRanks saves me hours of time. It scans financial news from all over the web and gives each piece a sentiment score, so you can instantly see if the market is feeling bullish or bearish about a stock or sector. If you don't know already, the algorithms put the information in front of us they think we will click on. This means that if you start clicking on negative or positive finance articles, the algorithm gods will put more of that information in front of you, which can lead to misconceptions about the true nature of the market or a specific stock. TipRanks prevents this by aggregating overall sentiment and putting it in an easy-to-understand graphic. This makes it worth the price of admission, in my opinion. TipRanks doesn't just aggregate analyst opinions. It goes a step further and holds them accountable. You can see each analyst's success rate, average return, and track record over time. No more wondering if the person recommending a stock is actually good at their job. If they've been wrong more times than right, you'll know. I absolutely love this feature because it gives me the confidence to trust the recommendations I follow. Now, let's get into pricing because I know that's a big factor. TipRanks offers a free basic membership, which is great for getting a feel for the platform. Personally, I think the free version is perfect for testing out the layout and seeing if it vibes with your style. For me, a platform has to feel intuitive, and TipRanks nails it. But if you want the real value, you're going to have to open up your wallet. The premium plan is $30 a month when billed annually. This gives you access to features like full analyst ratings, price targets, and more advanced stock analysis tools. If you're serious about investing, this plan is where it's at. Now, if you want the full package, the ultimate plan is $50 a month when billed annually. This plan gives you unlimited access to everything TipRanks has to offer, including insider trading data, unlimited portfolio tracking, and real-time alerts. Depending on the size of your portfolio and how active of a trader you are, I think this tier could be worth it. You can save 50% on your membership by using my link in the description. So, if you've been curious about TipRanks, now's the time to jump in. So, which one is right for you? If you're looking for consistent winners with a proven track record, Motley Fool Stock Advisor is hard to beat. For those who want a no-fuss, data-driven approach to building a long-term portfolio, Alpha Picks is an excellent choice. And if you're after a comprehensive, transparent, and customizable investing platform, TipRanks brings Wall Street expertise right to your screen. The best part? Each of these services has its own strengths. So no matter your investing style, there's something here for you. Now, here's your next step. Check out the links in the description for special discounts and promotions on each of these platforms. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more investing tips and reviews. Until next time, happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.